And it's not just in India. The case has struck a chord with Indians across the world. In Paris, there was a march to the Indian embassy where a petition was handed over asking for action to make the country safer for women.
While the rest of the city is in a festive mood to celebrate the coming of the new year, these members of the Indian community are gathered here in Paris for a peaceful march. Protesting silently on the streets, this group will later be going to the Indian embassy in Paris to submit a petition for the Indian government asking for concrete steps to be taken to fight violence against women.
We don't want laws to happen tomorrow. We don't want the actions to be taken tomorrow. We want them now. We want people to be sensitive towards every issue.
हम भी भारतीय हैं और हम यहाँ पर बैठ करके भी हमारे जो भाई बहन है जो जंतर मंतर पर अपने या इंडिया गेट पर जिस तरीके से वो हल्ला बोल कर रहे हैं हम भी उनके साथ हैं, हम उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं.
These Indians in Paris are grieving and protesting like many others back home. But some say the spotlight is on them and it's making them uncomfortable.
ये न्यूज़ जब से आ गई है सब पेपरों में हेडलाइंस में ये न्यूज़ आ गई और फिर से मुझे ऐसे सवाल पूछना आ गया कि यही क्या आपका कल्चर है, क्या यही होता है?
I definitely have face of an Indian, so after this event, like I can see people trying to avoid us, like in metros, anywhere in public.
These protesters are hoping that India will be back in the international headlines once again for the exemplary action taken to prevent crimes against women. India's image has taken a rough beating in the last 2 weeks. There has been extensive coverage in the French media and in the rest of the world about the challenges that women living in India face with sexual violence and daily harassment. Indians living abroad are having to face the tough question as to why women are treated so badly in our country. In Paris, Nupur Tiwari for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.